Most of us understand how to read a simple 3-digit number. So if we have 748, we understand that's made up of 7 hundreds, 4 tens, and 8 ones. If we can read this number, we can really read any number of any size. For example, if we have a number that is quite large, like this number, so we have 732, 481, 482. We know this part here is our 482. We look at this number here and we still read it as 481, but we need to make sure we understand what is the period that it is in. So this is the units or ones. Excuse my bad writing on this app. Or this is the thousands, and this is the millions period. So now we can still read the number 732 just as we do hundreds, tens, ones, but we now say millions. So 732 millions, 481,482. We don't have to say the ones or the units when we read a number to the end. So reading numbers, doesn't matter how big they are, is only a matter of understanding hundreds, tens and ones, and the period millions, thousands, ones or billions if you want to go larger. So reading numbers isn't a difficult task, it's a matter of understanding hundreds, tens and ones and the period that that number is in.